Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a really exciting video. This is going to be a huge giveaway for one lucky person. So basically I got this PR package a couple days ago of every single one of the Too Faced Peaches and Cream Peach Perfect Foundation. Sorry, I'm like reading it on the card because the name is a little bit of a mouthful. I did a review and swatches on this foundation before. I'll leave that video in the description box. So you can see all the colors. I'm pretty sure that they added some more colors because I don't remember the color Swan. But anyway, so one lucky person, I thought, what am I going to do with all these foundations? I don't really do freelance makeup artistry anymore. You know, occasionally I will, but for the most part I don't. And I do actually have this collection of their foundations already. So I figured because this is such an awesome package, I wanted to go to a really, really deserving home, to somebody that's going to love and appreciate these foundations and really use them. So I'm going to be giving every single one of these foundations, which I think they're about $35 a piece, and there are 20 of them. So this is your full set of foundations, to a makeup artist who is just starting out. I know that's kind of one of the themes of my channel, you know, beginning as a makeup artist. And I know for a fact from experience that foundations can be one of the toughest things that, you know, you can get your hands on because they are expensive. So it's really hard to build your kit in terms of foundations. So I really, you know, would love to gift these to a deserving makeup artist who is actually, you know, really passionate about their craft and they're serious about getting started in this business. So because of that, this giveaway is going to be, you know, a little bit more than just leaving me a comment and saying, you know, your favorite thing about summer or whatever. I'm definitely going to need some proof, if you may, that you are a working makeup artist, that this is something that, you know, you are really looking to do, and that you're not going to like sell these on the black market or whatever. So to enter this giveaway to win all of these Too Faced foundations, the box looks like this if you are familiar with these. Basically a couple of the same rules for my normal giveaways: that you have to be a subscriber, you have to follow me on my Instagram, which is JuliaXBabe with 2 E's, the same handle as here on YouTube. And this time I would like you to leave me a comment telling me, you know, what you like about makeup artistry, just your story. When did you start doing it? You know, why you need these foundations. And I'd like to see your Instagram page or your Facebook or your website or your Twitter or whatever, a link to some of your work or some, you know, something to show me that you are actually a working makeup artist. You know, I understand not everyone's going to have like a full-blown website, but, you know, Instagram, totally fine, Facebook, whatever, leave me a link and, you know, tell me your story. I'm really going to read these. I'm not just going to pick this person at random. I want this to go to somebody that's really deserving of it. And I'm really actually excited for somebody to get this, because I know that for me a couple years ago, this would have been like a huge, you know, exciting thing. It has all your colors pretty much, so you're going to be all set for your clients for a while. This is a great foundation. It's like a medium to full coverage, matte finish, oil free. So this is gonna, you know, work out on most of your clients and, you know, most of your skin tones. So that's what you need to do to enter this giveaway. A, follow me on Instagram. B, subscribe to me here. C, basically prove to me that you're a makeup artist and, you know, tell me why you want these foundations. I'm sincerely looking forward to reading your comments, picking a winner, and I really can't wait, you know, for somebody to win this. So that is all. If you guys have any questions or anything, just leave me a comment. I will read and respond to all of them, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.